Today, I am reviewing the ASUS ROG Strix G18 18-inch gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you look at the current market for desktop replacement gaming laptops, the ASUS ROG Strix G18 is a machine that demands attention simply because of its sheer size and the massive amount of hardware tucked under its hood. It is a piece of gear that feels less like a portable computer and more like a mobile command center, and if you find yourself wondering about the latest pricing or want to look into the full specifications yourself, you can always check the links I have provided below the video. The jump to an 18-inch form factor is something that a lot of gamers are finding more appealing than the standard 15 or 16-inch designs, primarily because that extra screen real estate changes the entire experience of playing modern AAA titles or working on complex creative projects. The star of the show here is the Intel Core i9-275HX processor. With 24 cores and 24 threads, this is a CPU that is built to handle heavy-duty multitasking without breaking a sweat. When you combine that with a peak turbo frequency of 5.4 GHz on the performance cores, you are getting a level of speed that makes everyday tasks feel instant and heavy workloads finish significantly faster than they would on a standard Ultrabook. The inclusion of the Intel AI Boost NPU is a forward-looking feature as well, providing up to 13 TOPS of AI computing power. While we are still seeing how that AI power is fully utilized in daily software, having that overhead available means you are better prepared for upcoming applications that lean into on-device machine learning for tasks like image generation, smart noise cancellation, or complex data processing. Moving into the graphics, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 powered by the latest Blackwell architecture is an interesting choice for a machine of this caliber. It features 8 GB of high-speed GDDR7 VRAM, which is a jump forward in memory bandwidth. This card is positioned as a powerhouse for smooth, high frame rate gaming at standard resolutions, and with the inclusion of DLSS 4 technology, you are going to see a noticeable boost in performance in titles that support it. It handles ray tracing well, allowing for those realistic reflections and lighting effects that define the current generation of gaming graphics. That said, it is worth noting that while the RTX 5060 is a fantastic mid-range performer, this laptop screen is a high-resolution 2.5K panel. In the most demanding games at maximum settings, you might occasionally find yourself needing to lean on DLSS or dial back a few settings to maintain that high frame rate that the 240Hz screen is capable of displaying. The display itself is the Nebula panel, and it is a highlight of this device. 18 inches at 2.5K resolution is a great density, providing a crisp, clear image that makes games look incredibly vibrant. The 240Hz refresh rate and 3 millisecond response time mean that motion is buttery smooth, which is exactly what you want when you are playing fast-paced shooters or competitive titles where every millisecond counts. It is a panel that does justice to the high-end hardware inside, ensuring that you are not being bottlenecked visually. The color accuracy and brightness are impressive, making it just as capable for color-sensitive creative work as it is for gaming. Storage and memory are areas where this laptop really leans into its no compromises philosophy. Having 64 GB of DDR5 RAM is massive. It is the kind of setup that lets you keep dozens of browser tabs open, a game running in the background, and a suite of creative applications like Adobe Premiere or After Effects all active at the same time without needing to worry about the system choking. The 2 TB solid-state drive is equally generous, giving you plenty of space for a large library of modern games, which, as we know, can easily take up over 100 GB each these days. You will not be worrying about which games to uninstall for a long time, and the speed of the drive ensures that loading screens are as quick as they can possibly be. Windows 11 Pro comes pre-installed, along with a lifetime license for Office, which signals that ASUS is aiming this at the user who wants a machine that can do everything. Whether you are gaming until late at night, or you are sitting down for a full day of professional work, the software ecosystem is ready to go right out of the box. The integration of Copilot in Windows 11 as a personal assistant is quite useful here. Having an AI that can help you find settings, answer questions, or even help draft emails and organize your workspace is becoming a standard productivity boost. It is a nice touch that makes the OS feel a little more like a partner in your daily work than just a place to launch your apps. However, we need to talk about the physical reality of a laptop this size. It is big. It is heavy. It is not the kind of machine you're going to toss into a small messenger bag and carry around campus or through the airport on a daily basis. The power brick itself is a substantial piece of hardware, which is expected given the power draw of a high-performance Core i9 processor and a dedicated RTX graphics card. If you are a mobile professional or a student who needs to be in class all day, you have to be honest with yourself about whether you really need this much power or if you would be better served by a lighter, more portable device. This is a desktop replacement, and it is best treated as such. It is at its best when it has a permanent or semi-permanent home on a desk, with the occasional trip out when you need that power elsewhere. The keyboard and trackpad are excellent, which is a credit to the ROG design team. The keys have a good amount of travel, making them comfortable for long typing sessions, and the layout is spacious enough that you do not feel cramped. The RGB lighting is fully customizable, which is a classic Strix feature, and the deck itself feels sturdy. Despite the massive internals, ASUS has done a good job with the thermal management. The fans will certainly ramp up when you are pushing the machine hard. And let's be clear, they get audible, but they are moving a significant amount of heat away from the CPU and GPU. You are not going to be gaming in total silence, but you are not going to be worrying about the laptop overheating or throttling during a long session, which is the most important thing. Connectivity is another win. Wi-Fi 7 is on board, which is the latest standard. If you have a Wi-Fi 7 router, you're going to see faster speeds and lower latency, which is a great future-proofing feature. You also have a comprehensive set of ports, ensuring you can connect all your peripherals, external drives, and monitors without relying on a docking station. The build quality of the chassis is solid, with a clean, industrial look that feels professional enough to use in a meeting but aggressive enough to fit the gaming aesthetic. It is a mature design that avoids the more garish elements of early 2010s gaming laptops. There is also the matter of the power management. The machine supports fast charging, which helps get you back up to speed when you do have to be unplugged for a while, but do not expect all-day battery life. No laptop in this class can offer that. You're going to be tethered to a power outlet for any serious gaming or demanding work. This is the trade-off for the performance you are getting. You are essentially paying for a mobile workstation that is capable of incredible things, and that performance requires a lot of juice. When you look at who this laptop is really for, it hits a very specific demographic. It is for the gamer who wants an immersive experience with the largest screen possible, or for the creator who needs a powerful rig they can occasionally pack up and move. It is also a great fit for someone who does not want to manage a separate desktop and laptop and wants to unify their entire computing experience into one high-powered device. If you are looking for that ultimate, top-tier performance and you have the budget to support it, this laptop is undeniably powerful. On the other hand, you should avoid this if your priority is portability. If you find yourself constantly on the move, running between meetings, or commuting on public transit, you will quickly find that the size and weight of the G18 are more of a burden than a benefit. There are smaller, lighter laptops that can still deliver great gaming performance, albeit at a lower frame rate or with smaller screens. You have to decide where the balance of power versus portability lies for you. Additionally, if you are purely looking for a budget-friendly gaming experience, this is probably not the machine for you. You are paying a premium for the 18-inch panel, the Core i9 processor, and the 64 GB of RAM. If you don't need that level of memory or the processing power, you can certainly find cheaper options that will still play your favorite games perfectly well. One realistic criticism is the price of admission. This is an expensive machine. It is an investment. You should only be looking at this if you are absolutely certain that you will utilize the power it offers. If you are just playing light esports games or indie titles, you will be paying for a massive amount of overhead that you simply won't be using. The RTX 5060 is a solid card, but you are not buying this for just the GPU. You are buying it for the entire ecosystem of the Core i9 processor, the massive memory, the huge storage, and that gorgeous 18-inch display. You need to make sure all those components align with your needs to really get the value out of this purchase. The software experience is generally very clean. ASUS's Armoury Crate software, which manages the system settings, fan profiles, and RGB lighting, is fairly intuitive, though it can be a little bloated for some users. You can easily switch between performance modes depending on what you're doing, which is a great way to balance power consumption and noise levels. When you are just browsing the web or watching a movie, you can put it in a quieter, power-efficient mode, and when you are ready to game, you can switch it to turbo mode to unlock the full potential of the hardware. Overall, the ASUS ROG Strix G18 is a machine that does exactly what it sets out to do. It is a powerful, uncompromising, and massive gaming laptop that brings the desktop experience to your lap. It is built with high-quality components, a fantastic display, and a design that feels purposeful and sturdy. While it is certainly not the right choice for everyone, especially those who value mobility or those on a budget for the right buyer, it is an incredible tool. It is the kind of gear that makes you feel like you are at the cutting edge of what is possible in portable computing, and if you are looking for a desktop-class experience that you can take with you when needed, it is a very strong option to have on your list. It is a machine that doesn't hold anything back, and if you're the type of user who wants that kind of performance, it delivers on its promise.